what's going on with Moderna and put it in layman's terms to as much as you can, and maybe even start with the bigger picture as in what is Moderna, the history of, what are they trying to accomplish, and what we need to really look out for.
Well, so let's start with the headline. If on March 28th, 2019, and let's get that date burned into our consciousness. If on March 28th, 2019, the following sentence was written in a patent application, quote, because of a concern for reemergence or a deliberate release of SARS coronavirus, vaccine development was initiated. That sentence was written into a patent application on March the 28th, 2019. And you heard what I said. Vaccine development was, past tense, was initiated. So that means before March 28th, 2019, a deliberate release of SARS coronavirus was not only contemplated, but Moderna wrote it into their patent applications.
Wow.
Just let that chilling fact of what I just said sink in. Right? This is not a company that was operating in the conjecture theoretical world. This was not a company that was in the middle of this anonymous R&D program that was just happenstance to be running along looking at coronavirus. This was a patent application that had first been submitted in 2015. And the United States Patent Office had rejected it. You heard what I just said. They rejected the application, not once or twice. Over and over and over again, they rejected this patent application. But on March the 28th, 2019, suddenly a SARS beta coronavirus specific vaccine, and specifically not just SARS beta coronavirus, specifically the S1 spike protein, the thing that was allegedly novelly modified in December of 2019 in a bat cave in China, that was specifically referenced in March 2019. Now, keep in mind, and Brian, you know this, the company went public in 2018. This patent application was written March 28th, 2019, which means around the time of the IPO, it is reasonable to assume that somebody knew that there was going to be are you ready for this? Their words, not mine, reemergence or deliberate release of a beta coronavirus.